DJT stock analysis Monday. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. It's for next week, so let's talk about it. Simply put, no, it's not really going to be a buy for me unless the price shows me it, and I don't have no course to sell you. All I'm using is a strategy that's previously delivered for me after 4 years, after spending thousands of dollars on course and mentorship. So I've documented everything. With DJT, it was fine in games and everything as long as we were staying above 1366, actually 1432 that is, but now we're below it. So we're $13 at the moment. It only really makes sense for me to be bullish the moment we start breaking. I mean, the moment I start seeing bullish momentum, and that will only count as long as we're trading above 20.80. So yeah, since we're right here right now, I'm even open to the bearish idea. So if the rules are met, I'm even looking to take it lower. Other than that, I'll keep you updated. If you want to achieve a long-term consistent income without fear, click the first link in the description. There's a free course, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, all reviews are 5 stars.